What's up, y'all? This is how you do that there, and I am going to show you how to download videos on YouTube. Let's get into it. So we're gonna click on this Troy Dan video he just dropped not too long ago. We're gonna hit share, and we're gonna hit copy. Make sure you copy the link, and it says link copied in the clipboard. It says on the top, on the bottom left, if you're on a PC. So then, all right, after that, you're gonna search YouTube to MP4 converter. Paste your link into the green box right there and press go. Then it's going to load, and then you can download it. Now it's starting to download. You can see it at the bottom left of the screen. And you can see that the video is wrapping up. It's getting to that point where it's done. And look at that. It is downloaded. You can watch it, you can file it, you can organize it however you want to do it on your PC. Hey, make a reaction video for that ad, but I got a video on how to do reactions too. But hey, this has been How You Do That there, and we out. Peace.
Oh, how you do that there? How you do that there? And I ain't mad about it.
Like and subscribe if you learned anything from the video, and thanks for watching. Peace.